Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to win more attacks of the Undead Matches in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, stick together. Team up with other survivors to increase your chances of surviving attacks from the Undead. Use communication. Coordinate with your teammates to alert each other of nearby threats and strategize movements. Stay mobile. Avoid staying in one place for too long to prevent being overwhelmed by the undead. Fortify positions. Secure buildings or high ground locations with good visibility and multiple escape routes. Watch your back. Assign teammates to watch different directions to prevent surprise attacks from behind. Use tactical equipment. Deploy stun grenades or flashbangs to disorient and escape from approaching undead. Manage resources. Collect and share ammo and equip with teammates to maintain combat effectiveness. Monitor the circle. Stay within the safe zone to avoid taking damage from the gas while dealing with the undead. Upgrade weapons. Continuously upgrade your weapons with attachments and perks for fallen undead. Keep healing. Use healing items promptly to maintain your health during encounters with the undead. Utilize vehicles wisely. Use vehicles for quick escaping or to run over groups of undead blocking your path. Stay aware of audio cues. Listen for footsteps and growls to detect nearby undead before they strike. Play strategically. Prioritize eliminating stronger undead or those posing immediate threats to your team. Defend key locations. Secure essential positions such as buy station or high loot areas to maintain advantages. Manage time. Avoid unnecessary confrontation and focus on surviving until the end game. Stay together. Avoid getting isolated from your team to prevent being overwhelmed by the undead. Communicate revives. Quickly revive fallen teammates to maintain numerical superiority against the undead. Use perks wisely. Equip perks like Tracker or High Alert to gain advantages in detecting nearby undead. And that's how to win more attacks of the Undead Matches in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.